Okay, you guys, it's that time again. I have my second batch of foster kittens. They are 14 days old exactly today, and they are adorable. We named them after the cast of Friends because it just kind of worked out. Hopefully, we've got the sexes right. It might change a little bit, but that's okay. But without further ado, I will introduce you to some kittens. This is a little polar bear. Her eyes are starting to open. She is Monica, and we put a black collar on her because Monica had dark hair. She's adorable. It is about lunchtime. Yeah. Hi, sweetheart. Yeah. That's Monica. One. This little guy, well, we think it's a girl. We're not totally certain. So this is Joey, aka Jojo. Super cute. Oh, very much hungry right now. Time to eat. We named her Joey because we figured the name could go either way. She's adorable. All 5 of them are gorgeous. Yeah, I know. Who else we got? This is the one that we know is a dude. This is Chandler Bing. Chandler, say hi world. My name's Chandler. I'm very funny and cute. His eyes open the first. Oh, that's so sweet. This is Rachel. We named her Rachel because she's the one with the most distinctive fur pattern and pretty hair. And we know Rachel is known for her hair. Rachel is the most vocal of the crowd. She's pretty opinionated. She says exactly what she's thinking. Rachel. Oh my goodness. And last but not least, trying to open up one eye. Looks like Popeye. This is Phoebe. Oh my goodness, Phoebe, are you hungry? Yes? Okay, I will feed you. Anyway, that's it. I thought I'd introduce you to some kittens. 14 days old, thriving, growing, doing great. They're adorable. Can't wait to see who adopts them. Bye.